Archaeologists to uncover sarcophagus in Notre-Dame Cathedral. This enigmatic leaden tomb was discovered in the depths of Notre-Dame Cathedral by French researchers and will be unveiled shortly. The sarcophagus was discovered after a fire ravaged the Paris Cathedral. For the third time in 3 years, archaeologists have made this discovery public. The conflagration that devoured the 12th century structure sent shockwaves across the world. Workers discovered a well-preserved sarcophagus while repairing the church's spire in March. It had been buried a depth of almost a meter. A 19th century heating system's brick pipes contained the tomb. The piece is, however, thought to have been made in the 14th century. Scientists utilized an endoscopic camera to examine the sarcophagus. The camera displayed a skeleton's upper torso, leaves, cloth, and other unknown stuff. Sarcophagus was taken out the cathedral on April 12. Once it arrives to the Institute of Forensic Medicine in Toulouse, France, it will be stored in a safe area. After uncovering the casket, scientists and forensic specialists plan to investigate its contents, according to France 24. The skeleton's gender and previous health status will be revealed. Carbon dating is another method archaeologists will use. It was discovered buried in an earth mound with 14th century furniture, according to archaeologist Christophe Besnier. When a sarcophagus dates from the Middle Ages, it might be considered an extraordinarily unusual burial method, according to Besnier. Archaeologists are also interested in determining the social status of the dead. An aristocratic person was assumed to have died because of the sarcophagus burial location and design. This will be done in accordance with French rules on human remains, according to Dominique Garcia, the director of INRAP. Archaeologists will analyze the sarcophagus in accordance with the civil law since it contains human remains, he said.